Mayam Manipur top channel dagi video amta thagatchage adudi aji class 10 exam result out su oigre ko aduga class 11 tamgadaba kangu singi COMET School da tamgadaba hadi tamningba kangu singdo COMET School gi video semu haibu yore ko adu moi gi do mayam se aji form thaba hogre ba moi se adu moi gi form gi maram da khar naina se ba ko moi noi 10 gi result out oidri gi mamang gi form thaba hokre me gi tang 13 tha khre ba aduga mayam haji hai result su out oiramina phare result out oidaba kangu gi oire su ko tamning kangu leidana haidi board kangu adudagi hai CBSE kangu oire su ko haidi result out oire di noi gi mark sheet to result oi pass to have mark sheet to pura kan da si gi form lo bi ane ba moi gi tare kanu gi ko school de ge adu natragana kano kangu hai tare haidi result out oidaba kangu duri admit card leina khoi admit card to paira kana form lo bi ane ba ko adu ge moi gi khudong sa ba yam pi me si se adu form lo bi office award lo du ba pung 10 dagina pung 3 poki manung da salaga lo bi ga tabane ba ko adu moi sigi eligibility criteria si yo me sida haidi bosem leire CBSE leire adu atopa question recognize toba school sing leidana moi sida kano taw adu ne ha ki do application hai sigi form se longning ba kangu do koi gi class 10 gi emika to par ko laga lo yani ha ba ko moi si haire ko daire aduga sigi se aduga moi gi offer se aduki matik pi ko haidi moi case scholarship for position holder 1 to 25 ki manung da lakpa kangu do sigi rank holder lakpa kangu do ko moi gi scholarship si yam phajana pi yemo mayam si da 1 to 25 ki manung da lakpa kangu gi moi direct admission pi re seat are limited based on first come first serve basis hai aduga 70% and above adu manung da lakpa sing su 75% and above CBSE gi oir su ko adu moi kangu su direct admission moi seat pi ko aduga kano kangu se 1 to 25 rank holder hai tar moi gi tungan ba sisna mu ko moi gi benefit se moi na pi ri free admission free of class 11 and 12 11 chai ani gi ne plus free tuition fee su adudagi free foundation course coaching class at COMET kai sampat ko class 11 12 ani makiloina adi free medical engineering special coaching moi tawbudo kai sampata tawnai 11 12 ta du loina ma adudagi one time free school uniform na singba one time reference book and grant of rupees 3000 free home tuition classes for selective COMET teacher free bus fee free ngata ngai moi rank holder kangu gi se aduga ID mak wang na lakpa kangu do moi su duki matik moi na free kano tawi ko ID benefit jam pi moi su ko yung 85% and above but not among the top 25 ID rank selecta ba kangu ko moi selecta ba kangu hai tare kano di mak ti wang na phang mo 85% and above 85% gi mathakta manung hai tare dugi mathakta leiba kangu do moi gi sumu direct and free admission fee ko aduga admission fee for class 11 moina class 11 khaki free tuition fee is free class 11 gi free medical engineering special coaching class at COMET kai sampat in class 11 and 12 kina medical ga engineering ga moi coaching fee se free wa adudagi one time free school uniform ko school uniforms free the one time reference book grant of rupees 2500 bus kisu bus fare su free ngata ngai aduga signa mo 80% and above ko 80% dagina 85 ki manung da leiba hai tare sisna mo ko the direct and free admission fee for class 11 gi ko aduga free tuition fee for class 11 the free medical engineering special coaching classes at COMET kai sampat in class 11 and 12 the one time reference book grant of rupees 2000 ade first to third position in entrance test the entrance test thaba matamna first tagina third fok ki lakpa kangu do moi gina mo moi kana base free admission fee only for class 11 ko adegina mo 70% and above but below 80% hay 70% dagina 80% buki manung da lakpado haidi na 10 gi exam haidorokpada moi gi kana basna mu yengji ko admission can be done after the declaration of 10 bosem ko benefits direct admission without entrance test thada direct sang ba yare duga student securing below 70% in bosem have to sit for the entrance examination. However, submission of form can be done after the declaration of ko adu sisnamu kano kangu gi ma'am haidi CBSE gi ko aduga atopa question na recognize to kangu gi do the my result out of kangu gi ne moi gi marks se 90% and above phang ko kangu se moi gi nisis na ko adu direct and free admission fee of for class 11 gi magi admission su direct phangani aduga admission su free ni moi kangu gi ko aduga free tuition fee for class 11 gi so moi gi se kano oire tuition fee se free oire as free medical in engineering coaching class at COMET Kasampat ko class 11 12 ki anima ki oina noina sum coaching mo yoning bodo medical gi engineering gi mo COMET na tawgane ha ko free oya bodu so the one time free school uniform one time reference book grants of rupees 2500 aduga bus fare fee oye aduga selection is based on the student ability to pass the individual test failing which they can get direct admission without benefit 70% and above but below 90% yamna pi hre ma'am ko moi si direct admission without entrance that start from 17 May dagi horaga 20 May foba moi si kangu gi si kanor kangu gi si CBSE gi adu atopa question na moi recognize to kangu do adu kangu gi aduga makhat hera me ko si hai si ma'am yung ma'am date and timing of the entrance examination will be published in the daily local newspaper hai sanga express kumba ko pokna phang mo na haror gi thotang mo update lakane ye khabar gi da adu khabar de yang kan ing view ma'am adu go website te yeng gi share www.cometschool.in haji phoki oina di ma'am update ampol heudam ni ko adu moi sida so update adum yeng view website te su duga newspaper de su yeng view aduga khangningba hen ba leiragasu comment box tai biro ma'am aduga si school se loina mak video amata da plus sar su ya ko video amata plus sar de video si su yamna sangani aduga haidi mai school yeng ni ma kangu du su tongan separate oni yeng view school gi oina semja rake ko aduga si COMET school gi se ma'am haidi yamna khudong sa ba si pi ko adu yeng view ma'am khudong sa ba sing se lobi ko aduga video si side lu sinjarage ji form thare form lobi yarani ko thank you